Hey, today I will tell you about the best service in the category Top Freelancer Sites. Having studied a huge number of services, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This freelance exchange gives you the opportunity to remotely earn on your unique abilities and skills. I want to tell you about 3 useful features that few people know about, but which really make this service the best in the Top Freelancer Sites category. Take a good look at the screen so you don't miss the most important thing.
Hey people, today I will tell you about a very famous and reliable service. This service will help you achieve your goals. SEO Clerks is a company offering website services for a small price. In this review I will try to determine if this could be a good way of earning money online and if the services could be good for your website. Background: SEO Clerks was started in 2011 to provide a marketplace where people could buy SEO services. The idea was to create a safe and secure platform where the money was held by a third party until the buyer was happy with his order. Delozier is the person who created and still owns the company. SEO Clerks was transferred to Ionicware Inc, which includes a group of companies, listing Doc, Code Clerks, Word Clerks, and Pixel Clerks. The companies are all either marketplaces for small tasks or platforms for asking or replying to questions about freelancing and micro jobs. Today, the SEO Clerks has more than 700,000 members, more than 370,000 services, and has processed more than 4 million orders. What is SEO Clerks? This is an online marketplace offering search engine optimization services and other small jobs for a fee. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can request the service you need. The platform connects freelancers who are offering a service to customers who are in search of affordable SEO or other services associated with a website. Who is it for? SEO Clerks is for anyone who wants to propose a service, a gig, to earn money. There is no limit on the price a seller can charge, and there is a very wide range of micro jobs you can propose. These could also be for you if you want to improve certain SEO aspects of your site, or if you want to outsource some of your tasks. Here are just a few of the services that are available: translations and graphic design, article writing, voiceovers, place or design banner ads, create backlinks, resolve WordPress issues, create a WordPress site, graphic design, guest posts, manage social media accounts. As you can see, you can obtain almost any services related to a website. How it works: for a seller, how to create a new service. If you want to set up a new offer, you can choose from the following categories: sell a service, sell an article, sell tweets, sell blog reviews, sell an ebook, sell software, sell a theme. For example, if you choose to sell blog reviews, you will have to decide on a title and price, fix the limitations of what you are willing to blog about. Choose a category that matches your offer. Add tags that match your listing. Decide if you want to offer guarantee, etc. Different levels. There are 6 different levels for the members. You move up a level when you complete a certain number of services, purchases, or affiliate sales. A very brief outline of the different levels. Number 1. Everyone starts at level 1. Number 2. Must have completed 10 orders or purchases or affiliate sales on time and have a 90% satisfaction rating or higher. Level 3. Must have completed 25 orders or purchases or affiliate sales on time and have a 90% satisfaction rating or higher. Level 4. Must be an affiliate, have completed 100 orders or purchases on time and have a 95% satisfaction rating or higher and have completed 50 affiliate sales. Level 5. Must be an affiliate, have completed 250 orders or purchases on time and have a 97% satisfaction rating or higher and have completed 100 affiliate sales. Level 6. This level is selected by the SEO Clerks staff, must be level 3 or above and an affiliate. There are more criteria for the levels, but this gives you an idea. It is obviously important to pay attention to the different levels and the comments from other buyers when ordering a service. The higher the level, the better the chance of having your work carried out to your satisfaction or finding a buyer who is genuine. SEO Clerks affiliate program. Another way of making money with this program is by becoming an affiliate. Every time you refer someone to the site and they buy a service, you earn 10% of every purchase they make for life.